All right. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Learn with Luke. Today we're going to be walking through our Xometry changes to the quality and inspection process in the partner guide. So I'm Luke, Xometry's community and marketplace engagement lead, and I'm joined today by Mark Kearney. Mark is going to walk us through some of the changes to the quality and inspection process and give us some tips and tricks. So Mark, how's it going? How you doing today?
It's going well. Thank you, Luke, for inviting me to this Learning with Luke.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. So first, let's kind of figure out how to get to the partner guide and see where the changes are made. So first, I'm going to share my screen. All right. So right now we are on the community homepage. And so to get to the partner guide, what we want to do is click this help button here. And then we will be brought to our help center, click on partner network, come down here and click on our Xometry partner guide. And then from here on the left-hand side, we can see all of our articles. So if we scroll down to inspection and quality standards, we can find all of those articles here. You can see your inspection and quality standards, your documentation, if you have a print, if you don't have a print, formal inspection, CMM inspection. We won't go through all of these because we have them here. Then we have VQC down here. So that's enough of that. We will stop sharing now and let's hop into it a little bit. So Mark, first question I got for you is that the word is there's been modifications to the inspection process. So what specifically has changed?
Based on partner demand for inspections, primarily standard inspections, we look at measuring the data that can be provided on any documents that the partner really chooses. It could be their own formal inspection report. It could be a red-lined drawing where they're jotting down the measurements that they've taken during the manufacturing process. Also based on some of the partner demand is the formal inspection reports no longer require the tooling calibration date. That was somewhat of an overkill by Xometry when we released the initial partner guide. And then also some of the tooling identification recordings have been greatly reduced. For example, we do not require that on a standard inspection or a standard plus inspection, but it is somewhat required on the first article inspection report as our customers have demanded that for the AS9102 format. The inspection checklist is no longer required in any situation. So that's a huge win for the partners and for Xometry. Yeah. But please keep in mind that we still do require the measurements to be uploaded on some of your formats, as well as the photos that details each side to see if there is any inserts or damage or anything of that nature for the non-standard inspection requirements.
Yeah, absolutely. So what kind of influenced the changes to the process?
As the standard formal inspection processes launched, Xometry definitely had a over-inspecting requirement. I think it was kind of new in the industry as Xometry's been a leading force disrupting the market. And we want to be making sure that our customers were not going to be affected by some of these quick and easy processes. So knowing what we know now about our partners and the great contribution to quality and on-time delivery, we've realized that we don't need to have some of those same restrictions.
Yeah, that's good. That's really good. So do you have any tips or tricks as people are working around these changes and trying to get familiarized with them?
I think the biggest thing that they want to do is venture into reviewing the partner guides and the weekly reports. So ultimately what we try to do is make great strides with our partners and make sure that we continue to grow with our partners and our partners continue to grow with us so we can truly be a recognized force in the industry.
Yeah, absolutely. We want to make it as easy on them as we can, so then it's also easy on us, while also producing quality parts. So any changes to communication with the quality team?
Always be on the lookout for new and improved changes within the partner guide and on communities. If you have any great ideas, please share it. Otherwise, I think it's kind of standard protocol. I think most of our partners have done a phenomenal job in integrating their quality into our quality control checks. So just keep up the outstanding work and share your feedback so we can continue to drive improvements.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. That's exciting. We're really excited about it. And yeah, you can always reach out in the community. We'll always be there for you guys. If you have any questions, shoot us them there. Mark, do you have anything else you want to say? Any other tips or tricks or anything like that?
As the quality team is advancing to new levels, and we started by aligning with quality experts and partner coaching to help elevate our game. Join us in future quality corners, and even be on the lookout for what we're calling kudos by either myself or one of my partners that are actually out there to help all of our partners get to that next level of excellence.
Yeah, exactly. Those are two, you just hit on two exciting things that are coming in the future. So members, you should be on the lookout for the Mark Kearney Quality Corner, where Mark's gonna be taking a little bit deeper of a dive into quality and be talking about all the hot topics there. But then also we want to shout you guys out. So when you guys excel and you guys do great things, come back to the community kudos and you might see some exciting stuff going on. So Mark, thank you so much for joining us today. I've learned a ton, and I'm sure all of our community members have as well.
Yeah, and definitely thank you for inviting me, and I look forward to more and more exciting times.
Yeah, absolutely. So thanks everybody for watching, and join us next week for another episode of Learn with Luke. Bye,
Thank you,
guys.
everybody.